Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Volvo XC60 maintenance light. That little service reminder on your dashboard is simply a notification that your vehicle is due for its routine checkup. It doesn't necessarily mean there's a problem, but rather that it's time for scheduled maintenance. Once you've completed the necessary service, resetting this light is a straightforward process you can often do yourself, saving you a trip to the dealership. For many earlier Volvo XC60 models, the reset procedure involves a few quick steps. First, get into your driver's seat and insert your key, turning the ignition to position 1 without starting the engine. Next, use the stalk to navigate your trip computer until it displays trip 1. Now, press and hold the trip reset button, usually found on the stalk or under the speedometer. While holding it, turn the ignition to position 2. Keep holding for approximately 10 seconds until you see the I symbol flash 3 times. Then release. Newer Volvo XC60 models, typically from around 2018 onwards, have a slightly different method. Begin by putting your vehicle into convenience mode. Simply press the Start/Stop button once without pressing the brake pedal. Then, locate the cruise control minus button on your steering wheel and press and hold it. While still holding this button, start the engine. Keep holding for about 10 seconds until an information symbol or wrench icon begins to flash on your dashboard. Release the button quickly, within 1 to 4 seconds of it flashing, to complete the reset. Remember, resetting the maintenance light should always follow actual vehicle service, not replace it. This light is a helpful reminder, ensuring your Volvo XC60 receives the care it needs to run smoothly. If the light reappears shortly after a reset, it could signal a deeper problem that requires attention. In such cases, or if the manual reset doesn't work, it's best to consult a qualified technician who can use specialized diagnostic tools to identify and resolve any issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.